In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the brake calipers. I have GOLF MK4 which I am building, and I will build the brake calipers which I've already painted, which you have seen in the previous video, and now I will build them. I've removed everything. It's like the opposite way. You just take out everything and throw it away. I don't have to show you take out everything and throw it away. And then I'll show you in this video how do I put the new ones. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment how do you want to improve this video, or how do you see this video, what do you think about this video. Let's start with it. So let's put this thing. That is the bleeder screw, but now I see that I've missed the paint here on the sides. And then next is these plastic. So this is where the gliding pins sit. Should go in like this notch. It's gonna go in and then get stuck on the other side. So this is gonna go in like this. Now it has a new bleeder screw, rubber for gliding pins, and then a complete new cylinder and new rubber. Everything new, nice and clean. Looks beautiful, right? So similarly I will do the other ones, and then I will do the holders, like the pins inside them, and then voila, we are done with this one. And then I'll make another video when I install this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more golf videos, because there is a lot to come. The suspension, the coilovers, they're coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.